Stop. That's enough. Oh, shoot. Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my Outdoor Adventure Review channel. In this video, in honor of St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, or maybe today, depending on when this gets uploaded, we are going to eat a Nomad nutrition meal, dehydrated meal. And this specifically is the Irish shepherd's pie. I have had this for months and months and months, and I have been saving it for St. Patrick's Day. So, and to boil the water, we are going to use the Kelly kettle from Ireland. Not this exact model, but developed out of Ireland. So, let's get the fire going, get our water in, boil, and then try this meal out. I need my stoker poker. Ow. Come on. You know, this was supposed to be a really cute idea. Come on. We're gonna get there. Hi, Bill. Hi, Dolce. Those are the ducks. They said hello. Please, this is a public service announcement. Please do not buy ducks for Easter coming up. Please do not buy them. And if you do buy them, definitely don't dump them in local lakes, okay? Because typically they're gonna be the giant pekin ducks, and they can't fly, okay? And if they're a female, they get mutilated come mating season. All right, just don't do it. All right, I think we're ready. And we're boiling. Okay. You need to move the camera. Dude. Stop. That's enough. Oh, shoot. Lexi, give me that water. Lexi, give me that water. Lexi, you came out at the perfect time. Thank you. Yeah. And that is why we have the ember mat at the ready. Because my mom would not appreciate her professional, beautiful decor landscaping rocks to get dirty. Okay.
Great, now I have to be in the shower.
Oh, boo-hoo. We have Lexi. You want to say hi?
Hello.
All right, this calls for 1 cup of boiling water. And we do have boiling water.
I think we do.
For sure. Okay.
I was just coming to see what you're doing.
And it boils for 8 to 12 minutes. Is it showing in the camera, baby?
Yeah. You could get a little bit closer. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, just 1 cup or 240 milliliters. Oh, that's hot. That's really hot water. All right. Okay. We're gonna seal that up. Wait for 8 minutes. And we have some very aggressive males going for the female. And she is a dumped pekin duck.
Go.
Hurry,
Go,
Bill, get her.
run.
Hurry. I'm going to have to call the Wasatch Wanderers because she cannot fly. And now mating season has started. Okay, we will be back. Let's not drop this. Ooh. Okay, a little soupy. You know, maybe a little bit too much water, but let's give this a try.
Done.
Irish shepherd's pie. Like my nails? Lexi, would you like to be the first to try?
Yeah.
Really? All right, let's get some of this stuff from the bottom.
It smells good.
It does smell good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just... Little soupy shepherd's pie. Okay, baby. All right, let's get you a good one, shall we?
I think it would need to cook longer.
Really? Yeah. Definitely cook longer. Is this recording, baby?
I think so. It says, yeah, it is.
I thought that was at least 8 minutes. Yeah, it definitely needs to be cooked longer. But it's very tasty, actually.
It really is.
And that's saying a lot coming from this child because in her old age, she is becoming very picky. I think I'm going to boil this up. So, I would love to know if any of you have had any of these Nomad nutrition. I believe I got this at REI. Plant-based, okay, so that's nice. And if you've tried these, what do you think? Made with wholesome ingredients. Meals for the modern wanderer. Oh, made in Canada. That is nice. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video.